This tutorial covers the installation of the Countermark smartphone app on an Android smartphone. Start by going to the Play Store. Search for the app using the word Countermark. This should take you to the Countermark app, which is produced by Wessex Technology. Choose Install, then Accept. The app will now take a moment to download and install on your smartphone. When the installation is complete, you have the option to open the app. When you open the app, you are presented with a short tutorial which explains how to use it. The tutorial illustrates how to hold your smartphone in order to scan a Countermark. To skip this tutorial, use the option in the bottom left of the screen. The tutorial illustrates how you need to hold your smartphone squarely over the Countermark in order to get a good quality image. It reminds you that in low light conditions, you can use the flash option to display the Countermark being scanned. And you can use the zoom buttons, plus or minus, to resize the image if needed. Please read the privacy warning that now presents itself. Specifically, the app is asking whether you are willing to share your geographical location. Some Countermarks are geo-locked, that is, they can only be read from specific locations. If you are unwilling to share your geographical location, you will not be able to access the information protected by geo-locked Countermarks. Another element in Countermark security is your email address. Providing your email address is optional and you can skip this step. However, if you do skip this step, you will be prompted for your email address every time you run the Countermark app. It only takes a moment to add your email address. Having completed these steps, you are now able to use the Countermark app to scan Countermarks.